Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how to buy One Punch Cat token on Solfalre Wallet using Raydium exchange. Firstly, you will open Solfalre Wallet. After that, click on buy button. Here you can purchase minimum $50 Solana using MoonPay, or you can receive Solana token using contract address or QR code. After that, click on this icon and here you will search raydium.io. Then click on launch app and click on connect. So Solfalre Wallet has been successfully connected from Raydium exchange. Now you will click on Ray. After that you will open One Punch Cat token on CoinMarketCap. Then copy this address and paste here. Then you will add this token. Click on confirm and here you will enter number of Sol. So here you can check token transaction details. After that click on swap and finally you will do swipe to confirm. Then you will receive this token successfully on Solfalre Wallet. So guys, I have only shared technical process, not financial advice. Thanks for watching.